friend. Today I would like to share with you about the topic of enjoying nature. Why should you enjoy nature? Natural environment can stimulate the sense, providing new and fresh scent, a beautiful array of color to see, a range of texture to touch, and a host of calming sound. We got to say there's something special about walking through the woodland after a light shower. How can I have fun with nature? 8 ideas for having fun within nature when you hate your camp. Number 1. Take a day trip. Plan a day trip to do all things you would do if you were camping. Number 2. Go on a nature walk. Number 3. Stay in a local hotel. Number 4. Stay in a furnished cabin. Number 5. Rent a boat. Number 6. Take a hike. Number 7. Have a backyard camp out. Number 8. Make your backyard a nature reserve. How does nature make you happy? Being nature, or even viewing scenes of nature, reduce anger, fear, and stress, and increase pleasant feeling. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the reduction of stress hormone. Why is nature beautiful? Emotions say that nature is beautiful because it is alive, moving, and reproductive. In nature, we observe growth and development in living things, contrasted with the static or deteriorating state of the vast majority of that which is man-made. What nature means to you? When I step out of everyday world, I find a fulfillment with myself. Going into nature and be surrounded by the wisdom of the tree, the beauty of grasses, the impression of the mountain, and the warmth of the sun, I can feel the subtle peace enter my body, mind, and spirit. I am now whole one again. How important is nature to you? Why is it important that we value nature? Our forest, river, ocean, and soil provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we interact our rock with. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services we depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperity. What role does nature play in life? Nature is very important human and needed to survive and thrive. We're provided by natural world around us, food, water, medicine, material for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrition. Nature is our sole supplier. Plants also give food like corn, pea, barley, and bean. What is the connection between God and nature? God is the biggest conceivable existence, which is totally of existence itself. In the word, God is nature. Not nature referring to tree and sap and rock, but nature referring to entire system. The universe in which we live, with this definition, many theological names that to make concrete sense. How does nature remind us of God? Our natural environment doesn't teach us about creation in academic sense, although it leads us towards an appreciation of God's glory. It can help us nurture the fruit of spirits. The sense of wonder that nature sparks can inspire personal dedication to God. How do we experience God in nature? God created this world to show His power and to enlist His prayer from it. It is completely natural for us to feel close to God when we are surrounded by fellow created objects and people. Since we are all born of big world, nature also caused me to feel God present because it directly reflects many of God's attributes. Remember, subscribe to YouTube channel to see more videos. Thank you.